All right, today we're going to do a video of a Pacific press brake. It's a J165-12. Again, 165-ton machine, 12 foot. We'll use your palm buttons first. This is an auto return, so it'll come down, speed change, and go back up on its own. You can also change what the speed change does. This is a high to low speed. Again, it goes very slow. Once it hits the bottom, goes back up. You also have a foot pedal. And this is with a manual return, so it'll come down, speed change, and when it gets to the bottom of the stroke, it'll stop. And you step on the pedal or palm button and send it back up. I'll show you just an auto return cycle with the foot pedals. Change the speed again. This is a medium and low. The machine is currently wired 230 volts. This is the inch mode. Comes down very slow. Hit your up button, go back up. This machine can be seen in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.